Okay, hi guys, Mr. Grover here. We're going to do a bit of a video on plotting linear relationships. Alright, so a linear relationship is obviously, exactly as the name implies, it's a relationship, an algebraic relationship that causes points to be plotted in a straight line. Okay, so let's say we have the equation y equals x plus 2. Okay, we can draw a table for that equation. All right, so we've got our x, our y. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now all we have to do here is figure out what y is when x equals 1. All right, so x1 plus 2 is going to be 3, 2 if x equals 2 plus 2 is going to be 4, 3 plus 2 is going to be 5, so on and so forth. You can see the pattern here now. Alright, so we end up with a table that looks like that. Now what we have to do, we know that our x coordinate is always going to be first, so our coordinates are going to look like that. What I like to think about when I'm looking at these tables here is if we sort of turn it that particular way. Alright, so rather than looking at it this way, we can take these figures here out and have it as 1 and 3, and then 2 and 4, 3 and 5. Alright, so on and so forth. So that's just something visual that actually might help you to understand this process a little better. Okay, our next point is actually plotting these points on our Cartesian plane. Alright, so we know that this is the x column here, this is the y column here. So we can go, alright, 1, and when x is 1, y is going to be 3. Alright, 2 and 4, 3 and 5. We're going to have 5 up there. Alright, so we can see we've got that linear pattern already there. So that's probably all we need to draw. Now, the important thing to remember when we're looking at these linear relationships is that these lines, or this linear relationship, actually does continue through our axis, okay, and it does continue up this way as well. So if we've sort of done that to scale, which you guys will be doing, you'll find that it'll go through this point here, it'll then go through this point here, and this point here. We can double check that by actually inputting our values for x into this equation up the top here, alright? So if we want to find out if this point down here is correct, we can say, alright, I'm going to substitute -2 in for x. -2 plus 2 we know is 0, and y is equal to 0 because we're on that x-axis there. Alright, so y is going to be 0. Alright, so that's just a quick video of how to plot some linear relationships and the idea behind plotting those and some things you can figure out. Okay.